Tom Joyner bushcraft axe, all around her chopper, kindling splitter. Probably not so much of a big wood splitter, but we're gonna do a little bit of chopping with it today. Welcome everyone. I just want to show this. I just want to show a little bit of this axe, how it works. This wood is kind of rotten, but it's sharp. It's sharp. Hope you can see that. Can you see that? Let's make sure. See that? It's sharp. It's sharp. Sharp, sharp. Right in on the collar. There we go. Now we got it down there to TazMan's level. Like I said, it's kind of rotten on the outside there. Solid, Tom. Solid. That is a dandy Tom Joyner. I think this is the first time I've ever chopped anything on the channel. Split wood, but never chopped, right? Kind of crazy, but this thing is a dandy. It's just so light and nimble, sharp. Should we chop one more just for good measure? Right through that knot. We'll go by that knot right here. Right here. See that knot? Look at that. Busted it right there. Right inside the wood. Not the best place to choose to chop a piece of wood in half, but that thing is awesome, Tom. Wow. Yeah, there it is. Short little video on the fundraiser axe for Tazapalooza. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Tom Joyner. That'd be a pretty wicked combination right there, huh? Tom Joyner axe, the old 500i. Let's go to work. Oh yeah. That'll get the blood pumping. Thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. That's a beautiful combination right there. Thanks everybody. Don't forget, head over to the website, check out the all the information on this axe. Fundraiser for TazMan-Palooza coming up the end of April. If you're new here, go check it out, please. Thank you, Tom Joyner. Thanks everybody for your support and your help, because you're all helping make TazMan-Palooza happen. And I love it. And I really, truly, truly appreciate it. It's going to be a little bit different than what we planned, but that's okay. We'll make it happen. We'll have fun. We've got wood to cut. We got some brush to mess around with. Bigger stuff, smaller stuff. Could possibly have a couple trees to fall. And people will get to test their saws for sure. No doubt about it. And their axes. We'll have wood to split, so please join us. If you can't, stay tuned for all the videos that are going to come from it. Awesome. There it is. Once again, thank you, Tom Joyner. You've been a huge support of this channel. Huge support. Not just these axes, but friendship and great conversations. Great friendships are being made in this community. Join us. Please join us. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. We better just put that right back in the log. Right there. Right by the old 500 eye. Okay. Be kind.